Knowing CPR can be the difference between life and death for someone suffering a cardiac arrest around you. Do you know it? I don't personally know CPR, which feels like a failing on my part. I have a congenital heart defect, which thankfully was cured via a double bypass years and years ago, and now I am fit as a fiddle. But to give back for how amazingly grateful I am for my health, I've been trying to use this Congenital Heart Defect Awareness Week, which starts on my heart anniversary, so what a coincidence, and ends on the 14th of February, to spread awareness about congenital heart defects. And one of the best things I can spread awareness about now is to help anyone that might suffer a cardiac arrest around you by teaching you how to learn CPR. Now, disclaimer, I'm not teaching you CPR in this video. I'm not certified. There's no certification at the end of this video for you or for me. However, I can lead you to the best resources and you guys can sit and learn with me. So once I'm done with this video and you finish watching, go to the description and do exactly what I'm doing. I have gone to the British Heart Foundation's page and I found the 15-minute RevivR selection where I can learn CPR in 15 minutes. I've got a cushion, or a plushie in my case, it's always a plushie in my case, and I'm about to sit down and learn CPR. So join me, have a bit of fun while you watch me learn to do this new skill, and then when I'm done, head straight to the description and have a go. The first thing I've done is I've gone to the British Heart Foundation's RevivR site, and I'm going to click the Start Training. It says Learn the Steps of CPR in 15 minutes. By the end of this training, I've been told that I'll know how to recognise if someone is having a cardiac arrest, how to make an emergency call to get help, how to push the chest so that the oxygen can get to the vital organs, and how to use a defibrillator. Now, I don't have a defibrillator in my home, so I assume that's not going to be a hands-on aspect. So it says you need to have a floor space and a cushion ready. Now you have to do a quick quiz. True or false, you have to be certified to do CPR. False. You can just learn how to do it now. Or false, cardiac arrests and heart attacks are the same. I think I want to say false. I was right. Cardiac arrest is an electrical problem and the person will be unconscious. A heart attack is a circulation problem and the person will probably be conscious. Ooh, how confident do I feel in CPR? Now, I did a CPR course a very long time ago, but it was like a general CPR first aid Heimlich maneuver kind of course. So, it was way too long ago. I think maybe from all the movies and TV shows I've seen, I could get in if absolutely no one else was around to do CPR. But in this very moment at the start of the course, I'm going to rate myself like a 1 to 2. Okay, now to learn how to spot if someone needs CPR. Now, I'm not going to read everything as I go because you guys should do the course on your own or maybe watch a video. I'm sure there are even shorter videos to get you to know what to do. I have to call 999 and put them on speaker. Obviously, I'm not going to do that for real, but if I was in an emergency, of course I'd be phoning 999. Oh, I can do a mock call on the next screen. Guys, this is so interactive. Also, it tells you how many minutes left. Oh, that's scary. I don't like calling people to do anything. But in a situation like this, I'd need to. 999.
Ambulance service. Is the patient breathing? Okay, I'm going to tell you how to give basic life support. Switch your device onto hands-free or loudspeaker now. Put a person on their back, on the floor if possible. Remove anything from behind their head. Side. Put one hand flat in the center of their chest. Put the other hand on top. Lock your fingers together.
This app has the speedometer to tell you how fast you are pushing. I've got this on screen record so you guys can see some bits as I go.
Okay, the next section is all about defibrillators, so I'm going to watch this for a minute. I'm now doing an interactive virtual defibrillator bit. There's now a quiz. And in only a few minutes, I am now CPR certified. How amazing and awesome is that, guys? What a wonderful way for me to finish off Congenital Heart Defect Awareness Week. I think this is a very important skill. I'm very proud of myself for learning it. I had a little bit of fun. They made it kind of fun. You get a lot of interactive elements. Now, I understand. I will address this now. This can be really scary for some people. Knowing CPR can be very daunting and very scary because it's not nice to think about someone going into cardiac arrest around you or having a heart attack. That's a very scary concept. But can you imagine how much less scary it would be if you knew you were a competent person in that scenario for what needed to be done? I promise you, it's going to be good for the back of your mind. In the back of your mind, you're going to know, you know what? If that ever happens, I know what I'm doing. I know what I have to do. And if you send this to your friends and family, not this video, the RevivR link, your friends and family know what to do as well. So there's lots of competent people around when you go out. So I hope you've maybe learned something from this video. Not CPR. Do the CPR course on your own, please. I'm not a paramedic. I can't teach you these things. I can just make you aware. But I hope that you've learned something from this video and that you're going to go on and do the CPR course now. It's only 15 minutes of your day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I know this wasn't a vlog and it was a little bit out of left field and very different, but I really hope you guys appreciated watching me learn to do something different and you're going to go and do it yourself. I'm very, very proud of you if you already are CPR certified, and if you're going to get CPR certified, it takes 15 minutes. I'm dead proud of you as well.